Hi everyone, this is Professor Bober. I just wanted to repeat some information that I was giving at the end of class about how to navigate through our course. When you log into the course, you should get to this homepage. And as I stated in class, if you wanted to double check to see if there were any announcements or questions and answers that were posted since the last time you logged in, you would want to click on each of these hyperlinks. You could also find announcements by clicking on announcements in this left menu bar. To find out where the assignments are for you to work on during the week, what you want to do is to click on Modules, which is also found in the left menu bar. And if this is the first time that you're logging in, you will go through Week 1, Part 1. And again, here I have listed a copy for you for the syllabus. You can access the textbook by clicking on this link. If you would like to do your homework, and I encourage you to try the WebAssign, you can click on WebAssign here. After reading the syllabus, I'd like you to take a syllabus quiz. I'd also like you, if you haven't done so, to introduce yourself on the icebreaker activity. And after you introduce yourself, I'd like you to welcome another student by commenting to at least 2 other students on the icebreaker. And so the icebreaker says, I would like you to post 2 items of information about yourself and then when you plan to be online for our course. And then you can go back to the previous screen. And once you finish all the assignments in part 1, then you can begin part 2. And on part 2, the first 5 assignments are due by Friday. Now I just want to point out that although the homework says it's due on Friday, that just means that that is the scheduled time that you should have it done. I realize you have until Tuesday to complete it, but it would be nice if you can finish it by Friday so it's not left over for you to work on over the weekend. After completing the homework, let me click on this link for you. And what I want you to realize that on this page, what I'd like you to do is to read chapter 1, or you can watch the chapter 1 video that's made by the author. Now this video was made some time ago, so it has pertinent information for a class that was made in the Bay Area, which is her course, so this is Professor Olowski. But the content is fine, so if you're somebody who likes to listen rather than read the chapter, you will find this video helpful. If you're going to complete your homework on WebAssign, here's the access key for you, which is listed Pasadena 7142 8964, which you'll need for logging into WebAssign. And then if you're going to complete your homework using the PDF file, then the problems you will find are listed under the homework category for chapter 1, and they are listed here. All right, so let me back up. So prior to doing the homework, you should always preview the chapter information. So I have here a link regarding the chapter. And if you click on this link, you'll get to the chapter in the textbook. So this will take us to chapter 1. And as you work your way through the sections, if you want to use at the very top here, there's a back arrow and then there's a next, which will take you to the next section. So this is 1-1. And when you click on next, you'll get to 1-2 eventually. And then you click on next again, you can get to 1-3. And you can use the back button to go backwards. There's a table of contents here on the left. And you can also select the sections as you work your way through. All right, I think I'm almost finished giving you some information about our course. Let me just go back just a minute. And what I asked you to do on this particular section is to make flashcards for the vocabulary words that are in this section. The flashcards will really help you as you get ready for the first test. And then once you're ready to answer this question, there's a button up here at the top to submit the assignment, and you can click on that. And then you can write your response here. And then click submit. All right, like I said, if you're going to use a to-do list, not all of these assignments will be listed for you, and so there is a PowerPoint that will help summarize the information from the chapter, so I encourage you to do that. And today's lab is also listed here, and the frame in case you need another copy. Other than that, if you have any questions, please post them in the forum, and I look forward to a successful semester with you. That's it. All right, have a good night. Bye-bye.